I am sorry, I apologize. I guess it was the hookah I was smoking. I was really smoking it fast. I don't really use the hookah. Or it was the belly or a drink. Or it was the overproof white rum. I even still got some right here. I have white rum still left. So it could be that I'm really sorry to anybody who I disrespect. I'm deeply sorry. I'm very sorry, world dog.
You're good man, no, you're good man. You're good, yeah, Brit? Promise me. I'm turn on the camera and make your sister you good.
Yeah.
Brit, you're good. You hear me? Don't worry yourself, man. People make mistake, but you're so grown and you come and you apologize. And I appreciate your apology, you hear me? And accept it by me. Okay? Just call this a blowover, baby. This is what me I say. Jamaica have 7 day talk, and when it's touring at 2 day ago. While later on, your people them good and nobody know remember about this again, but are you back again for your track or your feet? You hear me? Yeah. Wanna kill him, man. No wanna kill him, make you stronger, Brit. You hear me? Rate the energy in a Brit. Rate the style, you know. Big man thing. I mean, I don't like see a sad. You hear me?
I'm not really sad, but me I say come like me drink too much rum man last night is like me not know, like me just lose it last night for real.
I have some genuine people who love you. And if you stop cuss off your people, them hear me? You have some real genuine people who love you. You hear, Brit? You have to build one closer relationship with the people, them out of the comedian and out of how they look for you. Just look and listen to me I tell you, please, Brit. See if you can build a close relationship with the people them who love you. Brit, you have some genuine people who love you over here, bro. Build a close relationship with them. Don't disrespect them, Brit, because they love you as fuck, bro. They
Yeah,
love
but
you, Brit.
yeah, so that's why me I say me sorry because me not
Yes.
know what come over me last night or this morning. Me not even know who end me life. Me not even know when me life end. Me just know somebody dey on the life one at a time.
Yeah, dog, you have some genuine people who love you, Brit, and who check for you, bro. Come see it, bro. Here, you see, you have people who look like really look out for you.
You too, you got good people too.
Of course, man, Brit. That's why the good people when me have, the good people when me have, dog, it just help me to share the love and what me I get with other people, Brit. Cause my people them uplift me if me can come uplift you and you uplift me and we uplift others. You understand, Brit?
But me not know how me come fi start disrespect you. Me always talk so me respect and everything. Me not know what
Let me show
come
you
over
something,
me.
Brit. Let me show you something. You see, flow and fame is an elevator thing. You see, if the people them did a live for your live yesterday, did I tell you if you stop.
Me too
But
out order. Me feel
you
one
see, if the
way.
people them for your live did I tell you if you stop yesterday, and none of them never did a laugh, and they say, yes, girl, go on, girl, lick a bus in the head and them thing there, maybe you would have come to your senses and stop. But mostly of them over there did a laugh, because me I watch you sitting and see them a jump, you know. If they real of them over there talk about girl you junk and girl you go on good, yes, junk girl and good girl magnum in a mouth. Them not really the
All
people
that
that
me
will really
put in
love
a
you.
me put in magnum in my mouth.
Britty a sucker magnum cock.
I lie. I lie.
Achoo.
Say God no.
All old man blood clot lava you make her come style me this morning. Shiny lava when I get a pussy. Shiny lava where girl I'm saying wood can't turn up for 5 minutes. I come tell me, I tell people about them chat this morning about Brit. I buckle in her mouth and wine feed. Me say, my woman Brit, I top me want top the boy in her face. Because me see people come like, yo Brit, I don't know me feel right now. Me lock up my camera, come here, I go shed tears.
So guys, who was in my live yesterday? Who ended my live yesterday? About what time I come off live? What was I really doing? Me a looking at a comment. Me no remember that. Me no remember that. Me no remember. Me no
Yeah,
remember
I listen
this.
to his song. Baby, this all in all because I'm in love with you. I've been on vacation, so I've been taking, I've been saving soon. Me don't know who they say. They say, are you in it? 5 a.m. this morning, you're in it.
5 a.m. Someone called you. Oh, 6. Somebody said 6 o'clock. Well, dog, me feel away. Away. Me I got left liquor alone. Many liquor in a workout for me. That's 6 for 2. So, world dog.
Yeah.
No, me and you, the power life as me wake up 11 o'clock. No, you. I me, me see company live this morning.
Yes, no. So that me I said we company live this morning
So, me
because
can never dey talk. Them the time they say me that
Brit, me never
disrespect
see
you.
say you, me never see none of them sitting there. Me never see none of it. No tell us me wake up and go up on my phone and did it on my phone now and see and it's true because I burn a split on my Porsche. So me say me I go burn a split now. Me did it. I'm look me see me just see it come in from my speed, the feed and I say this no look good. I saw it caption say. So me I say what Brit do now? And then Mary I say, where dog you not married me for me come and foreign? And then they just lose it, Brit. Brit, you tell me for something mother run at 25 times, but me now pay that no mind, Brit. Me love you same way. Yeah, man, I wanna slap your kicky door with a big toe. Kicky
Which
door.
door?
Your
Me
house
door no.
door. Me don't know where your phone is there, your kicky mama. I say,
Me
go
kick.
suck your man. And you come in on your phone and you say, go suck your man again. Him at 25 times, man.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yo, babes, you don't have to worry about that, babes. Me forgive you. I apologize, babes. You see me?
25 time, oh God.
Brit, no feel no way, man, babes.
Yeah, me I go left the car alone for a while, man. Me not drink again for a while.
Brit, I will put you sit down on blood clot, TikTok, and people take you for food. Babes, go enjoy yourself. But don't just get ridiculous or extra again, babes. Babes, enjoy yourself. You're young. You make too much time, people take you for food on TikTok. Go out and enjoy yourself. Just be careful and know your limit. You have to know your limit. You have to know your limit, Brit. And you have to know exactly what you're doing when you leave party. You don't want to leave party and people guide you, man. We guide you, go rape you, Brit. Me don't want
You
ya, me
know
don't
when
want,
was the
you
last
see me?
night me lost? Me couldn't find my way
Yeah.
one at time. Me did
Couldn't
get
find you
lost.
there.
And some
Me don't
people
want you
help me
go out
to
and
find.
drink again. Don't do it.
Yeah, me did lost. Our 2 man help me to find which part me come. Me did
Yeah.
lost.
So let me ask you something. You see TJ last night?
Who name TJ?
Me rascal.
TJ artist? Hmm?
Eh?
The artist TJ was sing up top boss attack.
No, man. TikTok TJ.
Not him that. No, me not see him. Me not see him. He did good on there.
Eh?
He did good on there.
All you dirty frownsy TJ. I tell me say they're in a VIP section and you see Brit. Thinking more TJ and I go check Brit. Frownsy more TJ. You're gonna check
You
Brit
see
in
me?
a VIP. The boy
Yes.
did it, Brit. That's why I'm not rate the boy there, Brit. I'm telling you, Brit. I said the
So,
boy did it in a VIP section and the boy did it and see Brit. And the whole of them hide from you, Brit.
no, me not see none of them TikTok people that want stream. None of them. Me not see them. Me not see none of them world dog. None of them.
All of them here.
Oh, Missy Rebel. Missy Rebel.
You see Rebel?
Rebel. Yeah, Missy Rebel. But that's, me not see nobody else. Like what? Stream. Mr. Rebel looks so nice in person. She look the same. Me not see Lincoln. Me not see them. No, me not see TC. You see, me not see enough of them. Somebody said TJ Tug Life was on the stage with Rick Ross.